Damn, he hurt me. I gotta go, dog.
Oh, dude. I'll open this door though.
I dipped him. He's an idiot. Yeah, open it.
They're feeding up. Oh snap! These guys are hard.
For real.
Ready?
They're level 38. Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna close it as well.
Go ahead. Someone's up here.
Let's keep going. Johnny's on the other side. I'm getting this lockpick at the slaughterhouse real quick.
Go ahead.
It's unlocked.
I think someone saw you, dog. Yeah, it's a cook.
Okay, can you unlock that? Or lock it. Oh my god!
I stabbed him.
I got a fuse. We'll probably have to get out that way.
Where are you? Are you in here with me?
Yeah.
He's fucking. I slept him. Leatherface. He didn't lock the door. Let's go. Oh, he did. I'm dead, dog. Fuck.
Oh no.
Where are you? Are you getting out?
Nah, I can probably try to get out real quick.
Nah, they're gonna. I don't know if they're gonna do it. Damn, those fools merged me. That fool locked the doors. I couldn't get out. When he went in there, he put a padlock on the door, and I couldn't get out. Yeah, if you slam that door, they're gonna hear you.
Yeah, the Leatherface is coming this way already.
Damn, dog. He's gonna one-shot you.
Oh, he can one-shot? Oh!
Yeah.
That man did not hit me. Where's our other guy at?
I don't know. I can't see him. Oh, he's right there where you're at.
Need to get some healies. That'll work. Wait, what? Oh, he DC. It was pretty much just you and I.
Yeah, for reals. Now, yeah, you're better off you doing the valve or the fuse, depending on where the fuse is at. I don't think they saw you.
That's crazy though. They didn't see me.
Yeah, they would be on you right now. There's a valve handle right there.
Oh, I thought it was right here.
No, no, it's behind you,
Yeah.
You just passed it.
Oh, and then it's downstairs,
Yeah,
isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the workshop. Right where we were at. I saw you, dog. I saw you.
Why won't they leave?
Fucking idiot.
Yeah. Let me see where this fuse holder is though.
It's probably right, Grandpa.
Grandpa's right there.
Yeah, so it's on the other side of the shack right here. That's usually where it spawns sometimes.
Other side.
Right there. Yeah.
That is AIDS.
Get that
Wait,
shit
I
jet.
can't break it.
Let them be gone.
Why can't I break it? What?
Well, what happened?
It's not giving me the option to break it. Holy crap, am I lagging? Look like it.
Yeah, hell yeah. You got on my screen. You got spotted.
Oh,
Damn, you had that shit
yeah, I
too.
had it. That's stupid.
You put the difference
Ring
on that
around
phone.
the rosy dog.
I'm not Toad. Stop calling me Toad, dude.
Why did you know that I had all of these things? You went in.
I think that was all you done. Oh, he did it. He did it. I'm sorry, dude. I'm listening. I'm listening.
You got this. No.
Ain't no way.
Damn, that's crazy. You got that shit. That's
Ain't
crazy.
no way. No.
He's gonna block it, so you better watch it. They can block the exit. If he stands in it.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, snap.
I don't know. To your left, right there. Go. To your right, look to your right. Okay, go. I don't really know where it's at.
To the back end. We don't usually get down from out of here, or get out from down here. God dang it.
Keep running around the mines. You'll bump into it. Nah, don't go into the. Oh, you're fucked. Oh, I know it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. Go right there. Go right there. Damn, you did that shit, Jit. It's blinking. Go, Jit. Go, Jit. You got it. Let's go.
Somebody!
That was sick. I can't believe you got that.
Yo, I didn't think. I don't know. I guess they thought I was going out through the slaughterhouse or something, but yeah, we did that, dog. We did that. We did that.
I sacrificed myself.
And we didn't have 2 people. Think about what we could do with 4.